Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram gifs not showing. First, you need to launch your Instagram account, and when you go to your profile, or let's just say go to a story here, if I'm going to tap this send message, I can see a gif here on the right side. So that means if you're going to send a message on a story, then probably gifs are available. But when you go to comment section and when you try to comment a GIF, unfortunately, you cannot see that feature here. So the first thing you must do if you can't see that is, of course, to uninstall the application. By uninstalling and installing your application, this might help fix Instagram's problem or error when it comes to GIFs. The second thing to do here is to connect to VPN. There are many benefits to using a VPN. Security is the first VPN's benefit, followed by improved user experience. Is it safe not to use a VPN? Some readers may be asking. Your location, your digital habits, your demand for security, and your reliance on unsecured public Wi Fi connections all play a role in this. The major advantage of using a VPN is that you're always better off having one than not. Why? It's because when it comes to social media platforms like Instagram, there are some features that are not available in your country or not available in your location, especially in your region or something like that. But if you're going to use VPN and be connected to other country, then there is a big possibility that the features of your social media platforms will appear, including the gifts on Instagram. The next method is to make sure that your Instagram is up to date or it's updated. So all you have to do is to go to Google Play Store, type Instagram, and make sure that this one is open here, the green one. It's not update. Because if it's update, then all you have to do is to tap and update your application. But for me, for my application, for my Instagram, it's up to date. So I have all the new features on Instagram. So that's the importance of having an updated version of Instagram application. And last method is the automatic update, which can be found also in the Google Play Store. Tap your profile, go to settings, make sure that for network preferences, you tap over Wi-Fi only. So it means that it will update any application that needs update. Also, you can go to manage apps and device and tap this updates available and update all. If you can see Instagram here, then you can also tap update. As simple as that. Now, I do really hope that after doing these methods, your problem with gifts not showing Instagram will be fixed. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.